everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this daisy bookmark. For this tutorial I'm using two hooks. One is 3.5 millimeters and one is 2.5 millimeters. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this tutorial I'm using crochet 4-ply cotton yarn. So let's get started. We begin with a magic circle. Now for those of you who do not know how to work a magic circle, I have a video on that as well. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below. Now once you have your magic circle, you need to work 5 single crochets in this circle. We start with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now you need to pull the loose end to close the circle. You work a slip stitch into the first stitch, the first single crochet, chain 1 and cut your yarn. You're going to change the row with the next color. Now for the next row, we're going to start working a petal in each stitch. So you will have 5 petals. You need to insert your hook in any of the single crochets. Join your yarn. Now for the first petal, you chain 3. In the same stitch, you need to work 3 treble crochets. Now to work a treble crochet, you yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Now we're going to work 2 more, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now one more. Now you've completed 3 treble crochets. Now in the same stitch, you need to first chain 3 and work a slip stitch right into the same stitch here. We've completed the first petal. Now for the next petal, you work a slip stitch into the next stitch. You start with chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. In the same stitch, you work 3 treble crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Now you chain 3 and you work a slip stitch in the same stitch right here. And now you need to continue working your petals in each stitch that you have in your previous row. After you complete working the 5 petals, you need to work a slip stitch in the next stitch here. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now the next color, I'm going to first attach it with a yarn needle. Now this is your flower. You need to turn it around. You need to find stitches opposite stitches. You have one here, if you can see, this one, and one right here. So I'm going through these 2 stitches and attaching my yarn like this. Now I'm going to use a smaller needle, that's 2.5, and on the end of this yarn I'm going to first work a slip knot. Pull it, and now I'm going to start working the chain, holding the loose end as well, like this. So you start chaining. I'm going to work a chain of 51. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and continue till you have a chain of 51. After you complete your chain, we're going to work a leaf on this end. We're going to work in these chains. We're working back of the chain. So in the first stitch right here, you need to work a single crochet. In the next stitch, you work a half double crochet. Now to work a half double crochet, you yarn over once, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. You need to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's your half double crochet. In the next stitch, you work 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, you work a half double crochet again. And in the next stitch, 1 single crochet. Now we're going to work on this side of the chain right here. So you need to just start working in this stitch. You work 1 single crochet on the opposite side of the last stitch that you worked on. You worked in this stitch. We're just going to turn the hook like this and start working right here. Single crochet. In the next stitch, 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch, 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, 1 half double crochet. And in the last stitch, 1 single crochet. Now you work a slip stitch into the first single crochet, chain 1 and cut your yarn. And now you need to work in your loose ends. We've completed working the bookmark, and this is how we use it. Put it right here. You have your flower right on top of the book. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.